Welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Mercedes Benz 2.1 liter diesel engine's fuel filter. And here I have this my new filter, and we can purchase these filters in Mercedes Benz dealership center, and it's the best place. And then it is really important that when you start to replace your fuel filter, please check that do you have this filter model where is this black heater. This is like fuel electric heater element inside in here or not, because this element, it is not we can't take that out, and we have to purchase this new filter and also this heater black electric element, because there is also filters where is no this heating element, and then it is difficult to install this my black element in those filters if there is only empty hole in here, and this part, this is impossible to replace this black heating elements, and that's we need to check that what kind of heater we have in our engine. Okay, and then we need some tools, small pliers that we can open these fuel lines, and then flathead screwdriver, and there is this my filter's name, and we can purchase also these aftermarket filters. Okay, and let's go to look my engine area next. And then when we look in that our engine area, we have this fuel filter in here, and in my case this is like training engine, and now there are this some electric cable, these covers are away, but this is our fuel filter element, and let's go to look that closer. And first step, this fuel filter replace is to take out this heater element, this electric connector. And in my case, this electric connector is broken. I have in here this new filter, and there is this part connector what goes in this area in that way. And now we can see easily that how I take this connector away. I need to press this area and then pull out. This is first step, that I need to take this electric connector away in this my work. And then second thing is that there are two of those clamps in here, and I have flathead screwdriver, and when I a little bit bend this, I can open this first one, and then also this second one, similar clamp, and now this outer area is free. This is my next step. Check that both of these clamps, this upper and down, are in this position, and then these outer parts, they are loose good. Then next step is to open these metallic small clamps, and if we have these pliers, we need to only press a little bit in this way, this plier, these clamps, and purpose is to only open those. Little bit movement, and if we use screwdriver, this opens really easily in that way. Good. This is open with screwdriver. We can look closer that how easy this is open with screwdriver, only a little bit movement, and then this is free. And then next step is that I need to move that, and now it is good to be in here cotton cloth, because there can be this fuel pressure. Okay, and there is this my cotton cloth, in here ready if there is any fuel pressure, and it is good to keep in our face, and then I move that carefully and use protective glasses. There can be fuel diesel pressure. Okay, now first this hose opens easily, and then I move that second also carefully. I move that little bit away, and then I can also use my this pliers, and now there's little bit this diesel, and I install my cotton cloth in that way, and then I can lift this filter away. Okay, and next I little bit move that filter, and then I can lift that filter away in this way. Good. And then I have in here this my new filter, and firstly I take this protective cap hatch away in here. See those cap hats, and I carefully move these parts away. That one and that one. Good. Next step is that I need to rotate this my filter in this position, and I need to connect these cables in here. First one, and then second hose in this way, and then this cable goes in this same area than before, in this back area, same road in there. And next I need to install these clamps back, and firstly I have to install these hoses very near, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and now it is critical that this hose is just in this dent in here, and that one is also in this position in here. It is really critical. Okay, and then next step is to install these metallic clamps back in that way, and there is idea that I need to press these two sides, and if I have thin this plier, this is easy to compress in that way in these sides, and then this central area, and then these parts goes nicely together. Carefully, this takes a little bit this is not so easy, but when I press that, okay, now it went and it clicks good, and then I install the second one also in same way. Okay, and now those both connectors are in position. Good. And then we need to check when we start that engine that there is no any leaks in here, and next job is to install this connector. Okay, and then I take this my connector, and connector comes in this position, and we need to hear this click. Now it clicks good, and then next step is to install those metallic clamps. Then those metallic clamps, and they goes nicely with fingers in this way. And now this fuel filter replace is ready, and next step is to start this engine and check that there is no any leaks. But this was this job, and thank you for watching that video.